In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 405 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 4. It is less than 5. That is why we will consider the number 40. We know that 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, we get 0. Now 0 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 5 here. Now see that this is the number 5. So we will remove this 0. Now we know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 405 divided by 5 is equal to 81. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.